Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are doing fine. In this video, we are going to learn about our new family, and this new family is called stick family. Yes, stick family. In this family, all the members are formed by making a stick first. And there are 5 members in stick family. Let us learn about them. The first member is E. E is down with the dot. Yes, we have already learned it. The second member is L. The third one is B. The fourth is F. And the fifth and the last one is T. Now moving on to the sound we are going to learn today, and that new sound is F. And the formation rhyme of F sound is: F is like a walking stick with a line across. F is like a walking stick with a line across. Now let us learn the vocabularies from F sound. F flower, F flower, F frog, F frog, F fan, F fan, F fish, F fish, F fire, F fire, F fire, F fire, F flamingo, F flamingo, F fox, F fox, F fruits, F fruits, F four, F four. Do practice of writing F sound, and don't forget to learn the vocabularies as well. Take care. Bye bye.